And hi everybody, meteorologist Karl Spring here. You know, even though we are into the season of spring, winter is hanging on with all 10 fingers and claws and toes and does not want to give us spring weather. Let's go to the radar map here, shall we? Now, as you know, we have a winter storm warning from today through Friday morning and kind of into Saturday morning, actually. Now, this storm system brings snow from Wisconsin up into the Twin Ports, all the way back to South Dakota and wraps around again. Now, this storm system is actually very, very big. The low is centered down that way, still to the southwest. So what's going to happen is, all day long today, this area in western Wisconsin will keep filling up with snow as it's starting to do here and coming over the top of us. So, while you may say, well, I haven't seen much snow yet, you will as the day goes on. Now, as always, of course, strong winds off Lake Superior have kept this kind of at bay for a while. However, let's zoom on in here and show you that now the storm itself is starting to overtake the winds off Lake Superior. So now let's zoom in here, right there. You know, and as we all know, the lake, of course, has a real mitigating effect here on the snow coming northward. But now, once it does start to happen, then the lake will actually enhance the snow as it starts to turn a little bit. So, while you may not have seen much yet, it still is expected to happen a little later on here on Thursday as the storm rotates a little bit, and then we actually get more of a lake effect snow going on here throughout the day. So, the forecast for today, again, winter storm warning throughout today until tomorrow morning, Friday morning. Looking at 3 to 6 inches of snow. Location, of course, is key on that one. Northeast winds gusting to 45 miles an hour, not very pleasant, with a high of 30. Tonight, an additional 2 to 4 inches of snow. Northeast winds, again at 40, low of 28. And tomorrow, Friday, snow diminishing 1 to 3 more inches, so that's a total of around 6 to 12, depending on where you are. Still very strong northeast winds and a high of 30 degrees. Normal high, of course, is 47, with maybe sunshine. Maybe. Saturday, cloudy and 35, and Sunday, the next system comes flying on in. Right now, models are showing possibly another 5 or 6 inches of snow. That's a little frustrating, isn't it? I agree as we head towards April 15th on Monday. Sunday's high with that snow about 35 degrees. So, that's the situation for now. We'll update this as the day goes on, but the snow is just getting up here, and once it overcomes here, the head of the lakes here, the winds here, then it'll really go crazy. And as you can see, Lester the weather cat is beside himself with excitement. Go Lester! Yeah, I was looking for more than that, Lester, but thanks.